Hello guys, welcome to text style or paragraph style in Adobe Photoshop. How to use text or paragraph style and web to warp style. So let's start. First, create a sample basic paragraph and press V, move it here. And now you have one layer text. So hold Alt key, make one more copy. Now you have two layer text. Third copy, and now you have three text layers. So if you need to change the style of this paragraph, double click. Now you can control the font style, select and control the bold italic, control the size and the quality, sharp, smooth, control the color. So let's change the color of this one to blue. Okay. So if you need to change for this one another style or apply another style on this layer, first select your layer and next go back to your font style, select like this and change the bold style italic and change the font size and change the color. This type of control or manage is very boring. So the easy way, if you need to control, you must go to type, go to panel, go to paragraph style. So paragraph style allow you to control or manage your title. Now you have three text layer. You must create three paragraph style. Select the first layer style or select the first paragraph style, apply on first paragraph. So select first one, apply. Double click and now you can change like this. Let's change a different color. Click OK. So if you need to font style, select this one and click OK. So let's select the second layer. Select second style. Apply first. Double click and change another different layer style. Okay. Select the third layer. Select third layer style. Apply. Double click. Change the color and OK. Change the font style like this. Okay guys, and now you can see, take a look. The first paragraph style is, if you need to apply, no, let's select paragraph style 3. So let's select this one. Take a look. The second text layer is link with paragraph style 2. The first text layer link with paragraph style 1, and the third text layer is linked with paragraph style 3. So how to add more text layer? Take a look. When you create another paragraph, click OK. I need to apply the first paragraph style. Select, let's say, first, second. Let me add another. Double click. Let's apply first. Apply, double click. Now change the color to dark. Select another different layer style and OK. Let's see. Third layer, there's second and first. Select the first, select this one or this one. Which layer paragraph style you need to apply on your text layer. It's very easy way to control, manage your text or paragraph style. Okay guys, let's go to another part, that is warp layer. Double click, click OK. So how to apply warp style? First select your paragraph, go back to layer, and there you can see warp text. Click here, you can see the style. So if you need to change the shape of your paragraph into fish, now you can see the fish style. So if you need to apply into flag, so if you need to apply into wave, there you can control the pane, control horizontal distortion, control vertical distortion like this. And now click OK. There you can see the shape of the wave. Apply it on your text layer. The first way, warp text, and the second way, double click. There you can see the icon, warp text style. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget how to use OpenType to create typography style logo.